Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2015 Sea Ray 21 SPX. We'll start off at the stern of the boat. Nice big sun pad. Nice big swim platform. Rear ladder. Nice walk through. There's also a nice little pet door here. Keeps things in the boat that should be in. As we walk through, we have another nice storage compartment here. Lots of cup holders in this boat. We've got two here, two here. This boat also comes with a recliner on the swim pad. This boat is equipped with a 4.3-liter Mercury MPI Mercruiser engine. We've got nice storage over here for your cover. This boat is also equipped with two coolers. Here's a self-bailing cooler here that can be used for cooler or a storage. You got storage under the corner. And you also have a built-in cooler on the starboard side. We have a full-length lounger on the port side. Nice big ski locker underneath. Leather dash. With a nice big glove box that's self-bailing. Plenty of storage underneath the port side helm also. Full instrumentation, depth gauge, tack, speedometer, full gauges. Coming to the front of the boat, it's nice and roomy up here. You've got two grab handles and two cup holders. This is a walkthrough as well. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.